Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. I am your social studies teacher for grade 2 and today we are going to read unit number 1 of social studies. So all of you open your books and look at your books, page number 1. Unit number 1 and the unit name is Blessings of Allah. Do you know students what is the meaning of blessings? No? Okay, I will tell you. Blessings is a special favor or benefits given to us by Allah. For example, if you just look at yourself, you have eyes and you can see from your eyes. Your eyes are the blessing of Allah. You have ears and you can hear from your ears. So your ears are the blessing of Allah. You have hands and you can do work from your hands. So your hands are also the blessing of Allah. So our whole body is a great blessing of Allah. So today in this chapter we are also going to discuss some more blessings of Almighty Allah. But before starting this chapter we have to learn some new words. Okay. The new words are number 1, universe. What is the word universe? What is the word universe? Universe means the world. The second word is essential. What is the word? Essential. And it means very important. The third word is benefits. What is the word? Benefits. It means advantages. Now the next is oxygen. What is the word? Oxygen. Oxygen is a gas. Next word is created. What is the word? Created. Created means made. The next word is blessings. What is the word? Blessings. Blessings means special favor. After that, we are going to start reading. What are the blessings of Almighty Allah? Allah has created the entire universe for us. It means that Allah has created the whole world for us. We get oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is a gas which is very important for us, for human beings, because we are using it in breathing. Sun gives us light and heat. Look at the picture of sun. It gives us light and heat. It is also important for plants and animals. It is also important for plants because plants are making their food in the presence of sunlight. Okay, this is very important for plants because they are making food in the presence of sunlight, and also very important for animals. Now the next is plants and animals created by Allah. You all have seen the plants and animals. Okay. Provide us with a lot of benefits which are helpful in our daily lives. How they are giving benefits to us, do you know? For example, plants. If we are talking about plants, plants gives us vegetables and fruits which are very important for us because it gives us energy. Okay, now the next is animals. Animals like cow, goat, sheep, hen. It gives us milk, meat, eggs, etc. And these are also very important for us in our daily life because on the daily basis we are using it. Okay. Now students, your home task is that you have to read it 5 to 6 times at home. Okay. And then on the next day I will listen it from you. Okay.